This is the fun part. That slaps. Hi, I'm Dom. We are making cheeseburger flatbreads today, and we're making them on some store-bought, pre-made flatbread crust. Let's start off by brushing our flatbreads with butter, and then topping our edges with sesame seeds. We want to get that like classic cheeseburger vibe with the sesame seed bun and all the goodies. Just kind of brush the edges a bit. There we go. Just the edges. And then I'm gonna sprinkle on some sesame seeds. Beautiful. I'm gonna put this flatbread in the oven at 375 until the sesame seeds are a little golden around and the whole flatbread is nice and lightly toasted. Our flatbreads are in the oven. We're gonna start cooking our ground beef. Cheeseburger mix is done. I'm gonna turn that off the heat. It's time to assemble. I'm gonna first drizzle on some ketchup, and I'm gonna go from the middle inside and just zigzag back across. And then we're gonna do some mustard. Can't stop looking at it, it's so pretty. Now we're gonna sprinkle on some mozzarella cheese. So remember, this is still a pizza. There's gotta be a sauce, and then there's gotta be cheese, and then there's gotta be toppings. So I'm gonna take some of my cheesy beef, and I'm gonna just start dolloping on some of that ground beef. Now this is why I said you don't want it too taco meaty. It's gonna make it a little bit hard to spread. We will sprinkle on our onion, our really thinly sliced onion. You can see how thin this is sliced. Now we're gonna put on our tomatoes. Keep these nice and close so that each bite gets a piece of tomato. Just a little bit more mozzarella, and that just so that those raw tomatoes don't just like sit there. And then to finish it up, we're gonna do some garlic aioli. Beautiful. So we're gonna bake this in the oven until it's nice and golden, that cheese is melted, then we're gonna finish it with some pickles, cut it up, and serve it for dinner. Cheeseburger in paradise, baby. That slaps.